Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I am going to share with you nutritious ashgard skin recipe with onion and coriander leaves. Ashgard skin is rich with minerals and dietary fiber. Try once, next time you will not throw the ashgard skin. It's a easy, quick and healthy recipe. For making the recipe, turn on the heat, place a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon onion seed. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant. Then add 2 slit green chili. Stir and saute for few seconds. Then add 2 medium size sliced onion. I have cut the onion similar to ashgard skin. Stir well and well combine. Cook over medium to low heat until the onion is lightly golden color like this. Next, add a small bowl pieces of ashgard skin. Whenever you will peel the ashgard skin, peel it little bit thick. Don't peel it very thin, otherwise the recipe will not be tasty. Mix well. Then reduce the heat. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt. I will not add any other spice because at last I am going to add peanut chutney, which I have prepared with salt, red chili powder and garlic. Cover and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, take off the lid. See, our ashgard skin is well fried. Next, add peanut chutney. You can replace the peanut chutney with dry coconut chutney, but this recipe goes well with peanut chutney. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut chutney. Add handful of fenugreek leaves. Cover and simmer. Give a good mix. Well, combine the coriander leaves and the other spice with the skin of ashgard. Don't skip the coriander leaves, it will enhance the flavor and taste. It looks fantastic and appetizing. Also easy to make, quick and healthy recipe. Friends, our healthy and nutritious ashgard skin recipe is done. Serve this yummy recipe with chapati or paratha. This recipe also goes well with steamed rice. We Bengali like to serve it with white steamed rice. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe.